There are 4 reasons why you need to understand the costing within your business. Number 1, it helps you to set a definite price on your products or services. Number 2, it allows you to control and minimize all of the costs associated with your business. Number 3, it allows you to make more informed decisions when it comes to your business. And finally, understanding the cost within your business allows you to plan better for the future. My name is Gabriel Williams, and you are in the masterclass of an entrepreneur strong. Let's get into some of the costs associated with your business and how you go about doing the calculations to finding that right figure. As a light manufacturing food business, you will be very mindful to understand that different costs give rise to different sales values. And so today we are going to go through how do you arrive at that perfect cost. All right, first of all, we will start with a definition. The costs we are speaking about. Costs are defined as the money that's needed for your business to make and sell the products and services that you do. That's a simple definition. Costs are defined as the money needed by your business to make and sell your products and services. So there are 2 types of costs within your businesses. Number 1, there's a fixed cost. These are costs that remain the same even when there are changes in the production amount, even when there are changes in the sales amount, or even if the amount of services generated is not consistent. These costs are fixed costs. The other type of costs that you should be concerned about as a business owner are variable costs. Variable costs are costs that change, like going up or down with the production amount, the sales amount, or the quantity of services provided.